The weekends are a good time to make pancakes, and this weekend I made pancakes. And usually I'd use a syrup, but I decided to use strawberries to make a delicious topping. So let's see how I got this made. I started off with 1 cup of water, which I added to a pot. And these strawberries that I use are frozen strawberries. I can also purchase the whole strawberries that are not frozen, but those are more expensive. This one I paid just $25 or $26 for it, so this is more convenient and it's more economical for me. So this is about 1 cup of the frozen strawberries, and this I added to the water. The sugar that I use, I just decided that I'm going to use 1/2 cup, but some people may decide to use more, but 1/2 cup was fine. So we added all those ingredients together. Now it started boiling and it took a while for the frozen strawberries to separate, but that's okay. Just make sure that you continue to stir it as I did, and eventually they'll separate from each other. As you see here, it does not take very long for that to happen, and then it will start to reduce and get a little thicker. So in total, I didn't spend much time with the pot looking at the strawberries and so on. I'd cover it from time to time, and as I covered it, I'd go back and check to see whether it had reduced sufficiently. So this is what it looked like in about just 15 minutes time. My fire was on medium heat, and I kept stirring it to make sure that everything was well cooked in the sugar mixture. So now it's ready. About 15 to 20 minutes is how long it took, and I just topped my pancakes with this delicious strawberry topping made at home in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment for more.